Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. My name is Travis Martin. Guys, we're doing so amazing over here. We're currently up $11,371 in the account, guys. You can see some other withdrawals here. We just actually won. Let me show this to you guys because I called this out over Telegram. We just won our 56th for 56 winning trade on this channel, guys, and we've only been trading since March of this year. It has been crazy. This was a win here, guys, of 10.17%, and that was called on Matic. I just actually did this just this morning, and then we ended up winning over here on DOT at the moment. We're up 15.09%. This is crazy. So I just want to say congratulations to you guys. For those of you who are taking these trades, you are subscribed, and you have your membership at tradeconfident.io. Okay, what I like to do, we are going to cover Cardano today, and I will go over this, I promise, but I like on Fridays to just go over the profits that people have done just this last week. There are other profits and testimonies we're going to add in here, but here's the ones that I have for the moment. Okay, this individual, this is just this last week, did $8,000 from signing up on our membership just 2 weeks ago. Their account is up 75%. This is crazy. Okay, this individual, just this last week, he made $5,000 closing his shorts based on the calls that I made here, okay? And he's now up $14,000 within 5 hours. Okay, man, you either are a magician or you have a crystal ball. This is pretty crazy in here. All right, this individual as well this last week, $400. I like showing you guys the traders who are making a lot more money, but I almost somehow, I enjoy showing you guys smaller profits because some of you guys are like, man, is that really true? Yes. I actually know, I know this individual. I just actually did a coaching call with him yesterday, and he's doing really well. Like, these people, these are all real testimonials, I promise. I blank out their names just to protect the identity, okay? This individual is probably one of my favorite testimonials. 8 for 8 wins. 8 for 8, guys. A lot of you who are like, man, I just need confidence back in trading. I can't seem to win trades in a row. I win a few, I lose a bunch. I win, I lose. I can't stay consistently profitable. Awesome. This is why I love this testimonial. 8 trades in a row. I love this one down here. Yes, I can show you guys people doing like $2,000 in their account and all that stuff, but I love this one right here. This guy said, I've done 5 trades in a row now, all in the profit. For the first time, I am doing successful trades in a row. I love this. I think this is what you guys are looking for, of like, I need to be consistently profitable. That's what these traders are doing, guys. $2,000 here this guy made in the morning. You know, this guy ended up doing $6,000 on Solana. He also did $10,000 on ADA. $10,000 profit on ADA, which was just insane. This individual as well did $40,000 in the last 3 weeks and then $10,000 the week prior to that. Just crazy in here. Okay, let's get over this. You guys want to know how to trade with us, so let's get into the good stuff. All right, take a look at this. The price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion. I'm going to go over the accuracy of these because I want you guys to watch this. I am upping the prices of both of these by the end of the year. So right now what you guys need to do is come over to the description, click in the description where it says get our trading view indicators in the description, as well as the first comment of this YouTube video. Here's the trend exhaustion, guys. I'm going to show this to you right now, as well as the price versus the well money flow. These indicators are going up in price. This is going up before the end of the month. This bundle pack is the best deal for you guys. It will not go up in price, so make sure you guys snag that. This is what we're using to make these trades, guys. Let's get in here and talk about this. So when we saw the trend exhaustion push up in the top red zone here, and we also saw the well money flow push up in the top with the green here. I literally just covered this on the video a few days ago. This is where I was not looking to get into trades, guys. We were staying patient and we were looking to get in. Not meaning get into FOMO into this move up. What we did is we were patient in here. We saw this, or I saw this. I called this and I was like, hey guys, we need to be patient for this move down here. And we got picked up right here. I'm in this trade with you guys. Like, I don't know if, sorry, I didn't show this to you guys. I'm literally taking all these trades with you guys. So it's like, you know, am I actually doing what I'm saying I'm doing? Yes, absolutely. Here's my, this is my entry for ADA, and then I actually ended up calling a sell on ADA right there, which you guys can see the entry right here. You guys can see the sell right here. The indicators perfectly called that drop here. Looking previous here, I want to explain this to you guys because you need to be very aware of what's happening when you guys see this formation on the charts. Let me make this better. When you guys see the trend exhaustion push to the top section here, as well as the price versus the well money flow, the money flow here, okay? This is showing us right around this area. Yes, we immediately got a drop in the market, so that was a very, very good call by the indicators here. But what happened here is you saw a higher high formation being printed. When you see this, guys, what is this? This is an uptrend. What is an uptrend? An uptrend is only defined by 2 things, higher highs and higher lows. Here's your low, here's your high, there's your higher low, there's your higher high. This is showing the trend is moving up. But if you guys were to get these indicators, you were to clearly see that money in green here, this is why I made it green, because it's literally money, on-chain metrics, showing blockchain orders, bigger orders on the blockchain for Coinbase and ADA, you can see that the money was flowing out of the market. And the trend exhaustion was like, hey, I'm sick and tired of going up. We actually need to be looking for a move back down. This is how we were literally able to call this move back down in the market, okay? Watch this. We also were able to call the top up here before we ended up getting the drop because we saw us move to the top red section here. If you guys remember my videos, I said this. I said we are not going to FOMO in up here. We're going to be patient. And we actually got picked up down here at $2 and like 2 cents. I actually want to verify this because I've been going back and forth. Let me just show this to you guys. If we go down here to ADA, let me see if I can find this in here. It literally was at such a ridiculously low price. ADA, yeah, we got in at $2.01, $0.17. That was our buy entry. That was from this indicator over here. We were like, nope, not going to get in over here and FOMO in with everybody else. So we were patient and we got picked up at $2.01. 2.017. We rode that up. We made some really great profits, okay? And then obviously you guys can see in here, other times when we get to the top red section here, it called this drop perfectly as well. We also see when it got, just barely up into this top section here, that's when we end up seeing the drop. And then also the bottom section here is ridiculous. This is calling pumps up in the market there. You guys see right here, it's like, hey, the price couldn't actually just keep going down. It literally had to stop for the indicator and give us a little bit of a move up before we saw this move here. Let me show you one more scenario of why these indicators are incredible and how we were able to call this move. It's exactly what I showed you guys over here, but it played out. So follow me here. You guys see a low and you see another lower low. I'm telling you guys, when you see this, a bunch of people sold in here because they thought we were going to crash. And I was on this videos here and I was like, guys, I'm telling you, this thing's going to head back up. Why? Because we have clear indicators in here that are showing us that we are creating a higher high on the indicators, the flow of money. This is moving down while our indicators in here are telling us that money is clearly flowing into the market while price is going down. These are what's called bear traps. I actually called a bear trap on this one right here on the Telegram channel. So what we were able to see in here was the indicators were signaling to me as like the creator of the channel, hey guys, you need to be aware of this, and everyone has these indicators. This is not going down further. This saw one of the fastest moves back up right after that, okay? Here's what I want to do. Let's bring this a full circle right now to where we're currently at. What you guys need to be doing is getting your buy limit set up in here if you're not there yet, and I'll show you how to do that. But for those of us in this trade, I called an exit up here, and that was a great exit. We ended up taking profit here about 5.69%, right around that area. I did not move our stop loss here. I'm going to allow this to fluctuate because I believe ADA, guys, has the potential to see some really nice moves up here before the end of the year. Like, really nice. I've said this on past videos. Get into ADA, get into Ethereum, get into Doge, and get into VET. Those are my top 4 picks if you guys want to know right there, okay? What I'm watching for over the weekend here is for if we move down into the bottom red section here, which marks literally right here, and the whale money flow starts moving out here, I'm looking for this springboard action to move back up, okay? We saw this happen before. We saw a nice move up last time. The previous time before that, we saw a nice spike back up. The previous time before that right here, we saw this move up in the market. So I believe over the weekend, we could actually, it's possible, guys, that we do head below our entry here. I literally don't care whatsoever, and I'm saying this and I have $11,000 in here. Like, I don't care. I actually wouldn't mind at all if we came down and hit our second buy limit down here that you guys have set up based off our metrics. And again, I'll show you how to get into the next trade here in a second. So hold on just a moment. Okay. If we move back down here, that's great. I think we'll see a springboard action and ADA will start moving back up here because we did end up breaking this symmetrical triangle pattern, which ended up pumping us up here. Point being, keep this trade here, guys. I'll update you over Telegram, but watch for this to bounce back up when we get to the bottom red zone. All right, you guys know that we are 56 for 56 wins in here, and you guys are like, I want to trade with you. Awesome. I don't blame you. Here's exactly how you guys do this. Come over here, sign up your membership. It's $49 a month. Yes, we have people making thousands of dollars in 2 days in a weekly basis. I keep it low, guys, because whatever program you sign up for, you should be able to make your money back easily within 30 days. We have people doing that literally within 24 hours. So come over there, get your membership. It gives you access to all the metrics as well as the live trades. Here's what you do. Click this right here, and then you guys come down, and then you guys need to click into Cardano, okay? I'm not going to open this. This is for our paid subscribers, but this is exactly what you're going to see this morning. I'm going to use Bitcoin for an example. You guys can trade Bitcoin right now. That's totally fine. Pretend this is ADA. Right now, literally right now, guys, on ADA, you're going to see 4 yellow lines below the current price. $1,000, let's say you're using $1,000 to enter into the market. Split it into equal 25% increments, okay? So 250 would go here, 250, 250, 250. Obviously, if you're using other increments like 5,000 or 10,000, it would be 2,500. Whatever allotment you want to trade with, break it in 25% increments and put them in the market. Once your first buy limit gets hit, you guys need to set up your sell limit at the first mark up here, the first yellow line above your first buy limit, okay? That is going to be the sell limit. That is all you're doing. If you have questions this, guys, just watch this video down here. I explain exactly how to do this. If you have questions, just email me, okay? Set your trade up for ADA right now, okay? I'm telling you guys, please set it up. My top picks are Cardano. My top pick is Dogecoin, Ethereum, and like I said, VeChain. Those are my top 4 picks right now. Okay, let's go over right now ADA and let's look at the metrics that are going to be updating every single day, but this is going to update in literally an hour and 3 minutes because it's 6:57 right now of recording this video. Okay, we are pushing up into the excited area here where I do think we could see a little bit of moves down. This is, I do believe this is possibly why we're seeing a little bit of a move down here because we're like, all right, we moved up here, we broke out. Honestly, guys, I thought this was going to move a little bit faster. I think everybody thought the market was going to move faster. Bitcoin literally just skyrocketed over here. Like our traders are up 28% right now on just this one trade. Insane amount of money you guys are making on this, okay? So you guys are up a crazy amount right here. Guys, the market didn't follow suit. Like, what happened to all the other coins in here? Like, look at Solana. Like, ADA didn't pump up at all. Solana actually went down. It was insane here. VET in here actually just kept going sideways. Even XRP in here just kept going sideways. Matic, by the way, guys, you're up 10.17% because of our trade calls in here. So great job. Make sure you exited that 50% this morning. Just hint for you guys. But look at this. No big pumps whatsoever. Bitcoin went through the roof. Something weird happened. I'm not going to try to explain it. All I'm going to tell you guys is get your buy limits in, and that's how we're going to make our money, okay? Follow me down here. Long for short trade risks for Cardano. This is a positive sign that we could be seeing money flowing into the market, and we can continually head up. Here is why. If you guys watch this, what does this mean? Follow me here, and I'm going to speak slowly here. When short trades move out of the market and long trades increase, this is bullishness, okay? That's very clear. We don't have pressure on long trades with short trades increasing. We actually have a relief of the price going down, a relief of pressure on the price going down when short trades decrease. I think that makes sense to most of you guys. What I believe happened in here was with this symmetrical triangle pattern, what we ended up seeing was a lot of people accumulating long trades because they expected to go up because we are so low from the highs over here. Okay, this is exactly what we did, so I don't blame them. As money's moving into the market here, guys, and short trades are moving out, this is a bullish sign that ADA could keep going up here. I've told you guys, I believe you guys should be getting into ADA right now, like today. Get your buy limit set up because I do believe ADA is one of the biggest coins that I think we'll see gains on before the end of the year, okay? Moving down here, long for short trade risk. We're currently sitting neutral. What does this mean? It means do not market order into anything right now. It means wait for this to drop down, get picked up on your buy limits, and then be patient, guys. The only reason why we are up this much right now, and we took an exit for 5.69%, is because we did not FOMO into everybody who ends up getting into these green candles up here. We were patient, and that's why we're still in the profit. I will never trade risky trades with you guys on this channel. I promise that to you guys. I will always use good risk management, and I will never be FOMOing into prices as they go up, ever. We've never done it, and I won't do it. The way I can prove that is we always use buy limits, and it's impossible to get a buy limit triggered unless you get underneath the price, okay? Watch this down here. Well, in institutional smart money, let me go back here. Rewind 10 seconds. The reason that we use buy limits, guys, is that we always buy on discount. A reason why a lot of you guys are losing in the market is because, well, you guys are FOMOing into prices as they move up. You're letting your emotions get triggered, and you're saying, oh, it's going to the moon without me. Guys, forget that. There's no such thing as going to the moon without you. Everything is going to retrace. You guys can get back into trades and you can make money. It is far better to be patient and grab trades on the way down and move back up and make your money. I'm being a little stern about this, but I'm saying this because I have some proof back over here because we're 56 for 56 wins. And so I promise, I'm not trying to be rude by saying that, but it's like, guys, no more FOMOing in. No more FOMOing in. You need to be patient and wait for it to drop back down. Okay, I want to help you guys with that. What's happening, and let me just continue this a little bit. When you guys are getting anxious and fearful in the market, like right over here, this hit fearfulness, where a lot of you guys ended up selling in the market and just huge drops off in the market, watch what happens down here. See this move down right there? We see this nice move and the nice move. This is the first move before the second drop here. Okay, this is the first move before the second drop here. What were the whales and institutions and smart money doing? They were not selling, guys. They were accumulating all of their long trades. This is exactly what we did on this channel, and we bought in and we made money. Just within this move alone, right here, I called this out yesterday, we've done 11 winning trades. Actually, 11, 12, 13 winning trades because we just won the last two in the last 24 hours. So on Matic and DOT, 13 winning trades within this one single move right here. Guys, 13. You guys can see here when people are getting anxious, it's not time to sell. This is time to acquire long trades. Like, I want to make this very clear to you guys. If you're watching this metric, like, what are Wells and Institutions and Smart Money doing? I'm not trying to be arrogant by this, but they are doing what we're doing. We're doing what they're doing. We are buying into the market, okay? This is coming out and showing us right now that we could be looking to see a little bit of a move down, and I wouldn't doubt that because we're seeing this move down in the market right now. But what we're going to do is we're going to hold steady in here as this price goes up or down because we have good risk management. Now, let's go for some targets over the weekend. I'm not going to be doing videos over the weekend, so it's very important you guys get the indicators. You guys are set up over the weekend so you guys can follow me, okay? I take weekends off to just simply, like, honestly, just rest, go to church, be with my family. I love that. I love taking weekends off, and I suggest you guys do it as well. Don't look at the charts. Set your buy limits up. It will act like a robot, and it will trigger trades for you. Okay, as far as a move down, let's start here. As far as a move down, guys, I believe $2 is absolutely the greatest and strongest support we have at the moment here. Let me visually give this to you guys. $2 is right here on the structure. I do believe it is possible next week, if we start seeing bear momentum, $2 is probably going to get triggered next week, okay? I don't see this at all happening over the weekend, however, okay? Next week, moving into the market, for a move up, I'm not going to call these prices up here. I believe the greatest resistance is actually at $2.50, $2.58. This is what's called a quarters theory number. 250 is structure high here. So these are the two targets I'm looking for next week. What's very nice about these targets is if we get up here and we get up into the top section here, I'm going to exit another 25% and we are going to lock our stop loss in here. And this will be a guaranteed win and probably put us at 57 for 57 wins, okay? This is so much fun here, okay? As this moves up here, we're going to take profits and make about 12% if we hit that. If this moves back down, I don't mind whatsoever. I'm kind of hoping it comes down and hits our next buy limit. I kept it private on here so those of you guys who have our membership know where it's at. Set up your buy limits in here and get triggered into these trades so you guys don't miss that. Okay, dollar cost average entries, we're still waiting for this to go off, but basically if you have $1,000, you want to throw $100 in every time you get a green line. Awesome. Hold for 5 to 10 years. You guys would do fantastic. This is what I want to talk about right here, and then we're going to end this video. ADA came out here and showed us that we were looking for a move back down, and we're getting a little overextended here. That move down there is looking at this move right here, and we did end up seeing this drop in the market, so that was a very good call. So I'm honestly, guys, honest to God, guys, I am not nervous whatsoever. I do not trade with emotion. Like, literally, I take my trades with you guys on these videos. Like, no emotion whatsoever. I don't care if prices go down. If it goes down, we get more entries triggered in with more buy limits, and we get more money into the market, and springboard action takes over, and we shoot the price back up. Not emotional at all, guys. Not even really emotional when we make profits. Like, I'm excited to hear, like, it's awesome that we're up this much, and, like, we're kicking butt on the S&P 500 and all this, but, like, this is really, really fun trading, and it's very low risk, very good risk management, making it a low risk investment. Okay, guys? Some of you in here are older and you're taking your precious hard-earned money and you're like, Travis, I want to make more than the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is probably going to do between about 9 to 12% a year. Let's call it 10% in the even here. Okay? Those people who are trading over here are doing far more than that. But here's the most important point. You guys might have other groups you're like, hey, we're making this crazy amount, this crazy amount. If it doesn't have good risk management, I would run from it. Honestly, guys, because anybody can come here and show you guys great profits, but every single one of these guys in here has the opportunity to use such good risk management with different buy limits that we are kept so safe. I've worked so hard for the money that I have put in here, and I am not out here to lose this and lose my reputation on here for YouTube. And hopefully I'm being passionate right now, but I'm gonna keep you guys safe. My dad is looking to trade this with me, my own family members. So like, I am totally fine if my mom came out and she traded every single call that I took. I would be completely fine with it because I'd have to report to my mom and be like, sorry, mom, made a bad call. No, guys, I'm okay with that because I know our strategy is doing so good. Long enough video. Guys, make sure you guys get the indicators, set them up. They are going up in price. It's right here. At minimum, guys, get the price versus the well money flow, the trend exhaustion. The bundle pack is the best deal because that's going up in price. Make sure you guys get your membership over here. It's $49 a month, and get your long trades set up. Get your Cardano trade set up. Like I showed you guys, like I made $10,000 on Cardano. Insane. All right. Click the Telegram link down here. That will give you a hot link. It will automatically add you guys into the group over here. That's what we're going. 60 for 60 wins in the next couple weeks. Congrats, guys. I'll keep you updated over Telegram. Get everything you need in the description. Let's make some money together. Bye, guys.